faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Tell faves good morning. Look there. Say morning. Hi, tell faves morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
You guys have been up and on the go all morning. I woke up this morning and get today's vlog ready because today's vlog wasn't ready. Sarah went down for a nap and it was perfect time for me to get my workout in. And when Sarah goes down for her nap, if I don't jump in workout right away, I won't get enough time. I have to take whatever she gives me. She's the boss baby, so whatever she say goes. And she give me 43 minutes, exactly 43 minutes workout. She gave me about 45 minutes, but workout in general was about 43 minutes, so that was good. And she woke up now.
Mama?
Just when I was wrapping up. I'm talking what you say.
Excuse me.
Yes, baby.
Is today we are going to print the picture?
The pictures already printed. Today we're going to put them in the book, okay?
Ooh.
Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. I feel so good. You guys know when I get my workout in, I go cuckoo crazy. And I couldn't even talk to you guys while I was getting my workout in because every single minute counts. So the camera was just running at one point. So I'm going to show you guys a little of what I did this morning while working out, the little time that she gave me. Going down there for so yeah, I am going to now get me a shower. I'm gonna get me a shower, and I have a bunch of stuff in my head that I need to get done today, so I'm gonna try and accomplish those. It's Friday, so it's the weekend, and I'm happy that it's the weekend because that means that babe will be home with me for 2 full days. Tyler will be going back to school, so we'll be getting him ready over the weekend for going back to school on Monday. So yeah, stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and just know that it doesn't really matter what you do. Once you get something accomplished physically, it makes a world of difference. Anyway, you guys, love you. Gotta leave you, and I'll catch you guys throughout today. Baby's at work, by the way, so you guys will see him when he gets back home later. I have a lot to accomplish today, and I'm gonna try and accomplish that. Let's see what the boss baby allows me to do, but of course I'll take you guys along. Boss baby, you're gonna let me go and shower? Let me go and shower while I stay in the playpen? Yet?
What?
Nom nom nom. Yum yum yummy. Yummy. Yes. Yummy. Oh, Sarah, plastic spoons in the dishwasher. Even when you're eating, you can't stay still. Princess and I having lunch. That's the lunch for me. Can you guys see lunch? Salad and chicken leg 3. And Sarah having carrots. You having carrots? You having carrots? Look at their face. You just always find the camera, don't you? Sarah, You bite your socks with the carrot mouth? Oh my god. Sarah, oh, you're making a mess with this carrot, girl. Ah. And she blowing bubbles and blowing out the carrots. Oh my god. Carrots everywhere. Sarah, don't blow bubbles.
Go.
Look at Sarah's foot with carrot. My god. Sarah.
Sarah, you want to be best? Is there a brother will be? You want brother to be sad?
Why are you gonna be sad?
Because they don't like when she do that. The brother to be sad.
Sarah, you're not funny. I'm a little foodie. Foodie.
Try and look
Look at her.
where beside it is you think.
Shh. I'm talking to the face. Sarah, here's your bone.
Hello,
Oh,
Mama. It was here.
okay. Look at my little food bone.
Stop.
I'm gonna have to change your entire clothes.
Oh yes.
Look at her and the bone. You're not born, girl. Real quick, my two babies are sleeping. It's a perfect time for me to get as much done within at least an hour, because Sarah probably will be up in an hour, hour and a half or two. But let's see. First I'm gonna start with the bathroom, so I'm gonna wash this as fast. It's the fastest wash this bathroom gonna get right now. Look who is awake. At least Mama finished wash the bathroom and the toilet. Just as I'm packing back in everything into the bathroom, she wakes up. But the work must go on, right? Gonna cooperate with Mama? Job must go on, right? Mama gonna put you in your room to play. You gonna stay here until Mama finish? Yes, good girl. You guys, I'm still cleaning. Sarah won't let me be great, but I'm still carrying on. I reach the kitchen. Look at my kitchen. My kitchen is a mess. My living room is a mess, and it's the two last space. Apart from I haven't touched Tyler's room because Tyler has been sleeping. He's still sleeping, and it's almost 5 p.m. and he's still sleeping. But Sarah, on the other hand, she's here looking at me. Look at her down there. You see her? She's watching TV and playing on her mat. Well, I finish up what I'm doing. So I have to pick her up every now and then, but it's what we do around here. She's a baby. She's on. You guys, look at Sarah. This girl is gonna be creeping any minute. Oh my gosh, look at her. Look at her, look at her, look at her, look at her, look at her. Look at her. Mama caught you? Mama caught you on hands and knees? Huh? Up there. Go now, go. See the knee moving? Yes. Yes. Yes, baby. You can do it. You can do it. You just need to move the hands now. Oh, it's okay. Go again. You can do it. Up. Up. You can do it. You can do it. Go on. Up. Up. No. Say, Mama, you're all in my face. Get out of my face, honey. Stalker wife. Look who is home and getting it. Yes, honey. Well done. Get it, baby, get it, baby, get it, fat ass. Keep going. Good job. Finally finished cleaning my entire house. It's Friday. Feels so fresh, so good. Right now I'm gonna make dinner so my babies can have something to eat. Though it's Friday, I'm hungry, everybody's hungry, and I don't have anything light in my head, so I'm gonna cook, like cook. So I'm gonna whip up something that can be done in about 15 minutes so that Tyler can get dinner. Sarah just went down for a nap, so I'm capitalizing on this moment again.
Mama,
there she is. You're taking a nap.
I take 2 naps.
You take 2 nap?
Yeah.
No, you took 1 nap.
1 nap of the.
You took 1 big nap.
Right there.
For dinner, I am making some garlic butter shrimp and some green vegetable pasta. So there goes my seasoning in. I have onions, lots of garlic, and assorted sweet pepper in here. I'm just gonna let that saute a bit while I add my veggie pasta into the water. That's what my veggie pasta looks like. Voila! This pasta cooks really fast, so it'll be done in no time. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt just to bring up all the taste. I'm gonna throw that in. And I'm gonna add a little sugar to bring all the taste together. Just a little bit. Who is that? 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 You guys, my day has finally come to an end with activity. It is now 8:25 and I'm just about to get a chance to sit my big fat butt down. Nothing else I have to do. Sarah is fresh, Tyler is fresh, everybody is fresh, everywhere is fresh, everybody is full, everybody's good. That's awesome. So yeah, I think this is the last of what you guys gonna see for today's vlog. I think you guys have seen enough of me, haven't you? Come tell Faves night night. Tell them you're going to bed. Say night night. Say night night. Who's that? Night night. Look at her foot. Look at her foot. Look at that foot. Look at that foot. Say night night. Jesus. You guys, the change table soon can't hold Sarah anymore. If I take my eyes off Sarah for half of a second, that's it. I can't take my eyes off her any at all. This girl is so frisky. Look at her. Just look at her. I soon can't use a change table anymore. Anyway, bedtime.
Hey guys, well, it's the end of the day. It's Friday night and I just had one wonderful night since long time. Sarah is gone to bed like 2-3 hours ago. Ooh, 2-3 hours ago without wake up time. So I watch a movie, spend some time with babe. Oh, that was good. Had to say it. That was good. Baby, if you look at me, I had a great moment. Anyways guys, I hope you all doing okay. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. The weekend's about to start. The weekend, well, when the weekend starts, Friday night or Saturday. So well, the weekend is about to start. We're gonna have fun. It's the last weekend before I'll go back to school, so let's see what is going to bring us. So yeah, time to go to bed now. Catch up and keep up. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to turn on the notification bell, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.